The 5000 psi Power Cleaner Kit is a robust cleaning device that offers a maximum pressure of 5,000 pounds per square inch, ensuring efficient cleaning of even the toughest surfaces. Equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles and a foam cannon, this power cleaner provides versatility for various cleaning tasks, from gentle washing to heavy-duty scrubbing. With a 33-foot extension hose and a 20-foot power cord, maneuverability is a breeze, allowing you to clean large areas without frequent repositioning. Featuring anti-tipping technology and 2 large rollers, this cleaner is designed for easy movement and stability, making it user-friendly even on uneven terrain. The compact design and convenient storage options, such as a power cord hook and nozzle holder, make this power cleaner easy to store in small spaces. Supported by a 2-year warranty, the manufacturer guarantees reliability and performance, providing peace of mind for users seeking a durable cleaning solution.